Hi friends, my name is Zahid Mahmood from BuzzAcademy. Today basically the purpose of this video, how to create a new YouTube channel 2020. If you have already signed in another account, and if you want to create a new channel, then this video will definitely help you. So stay tuned with me, and very important, I will give you some very important tips at the end of this video. So please watch this video till end. So let's start. First of all, you can see on the right side of the YouTube, when I start the YouTube account, on the very right side you can see there is a sign in button on very top of the top right. So click the sign in button. So I have already so first of all I choose the account if you already sync to another accounts. So my password is already saved, and next. Oh, I get the wrong password. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So no thanks. Okay, so here is it. I'm logging to my Gmail account with the help of my Gmail account. So I want to create a new channel, and go to the settings. You can see here the three things mentioned here: channel status and features, add or manage your channels. So click here, and then you select create a new channel, and here is it. You can mention your channel name, ABC channel. Okay, then create. That's it. So your channel has been successfully created. You can change your profile picture as well through these settings. So thank you very much for watching this video. In next video I definitely also describe you how to create your profile picture and how to create a YouTube channel art. Bye bye.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her.